Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Roslinda. So the impact of doing this research is we got to know how important of road infrastructure to the economic growth. For most Malaysians, their experience of transport infrastructure comes into the guise of highways, bus lines, and railways. From this research, we know that there are two main ways transport infrastructure can facilitate economic growth. First is they can create connection between businesses and input sources, other business and their markets. Second is it also facilitates the movement of the raw materials to and from company, as well as the transportation of finished products to the distributors and retail outlets. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alif Haikal bin Rafizul. Today, I want to talk about the advantages of sustainable of infrastructure for the logistic industry. Firstly, it is about the security is more assured. Usually, the logistic industry involves a lot of the use of vehicles, so it needs a safe way to deliver goods. This is because with the existence of good road infrastructure, logistic management is suffer in terms of delivery as well as goods delivered. Secondly, it is about simplify and expedite delivery. As well, we know that every shipment made by every logistic company has their own schedules for shipping the goods, right? However, with the road infrastructures, it can facilitate the travel of the vehicles because of the existence of important elements that can help facilitate travel, such as incident management, traffic information, and intelligence trailer. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Raja Nohaika Malik bin Raja Reza Rezwan and my magic number is 271436. As for now, I will talk about challenges in road infrastructure towards community. The first is challenge in providing non-defective and quality road infrastructure. As we know, road infrastructure is very important to facilitate the movement of society today. However, failure to provide a good road infrastructure can affect the daily activities of an individual or community. For example, pothole roads are a common thing faced by the road user community today, and it is exacerbated when such cases are not taken seriously. As a result, the road user community had to bear the consequence, and some even claim the lives of road users. The next challenge in road infrastructure is limited road infrastructure facilities in rural areas. That is not strange. If it is an area called urban, the infrastructure in the area must be completed and sophisticated. However, our challenge today shows that rural areas are especially underdeveloped in terms of well-equipped road infrastructure. This situation is always a problem for users, especially those who are traveling directly or indirectly in using the road of these rural areas. For example, street lights in rural areas are too limited and are only placed on the selected streets. Eventually, a user will feel deadlocked in dealing with challenges like this. That's all from me. Thank you.